Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove or burn off red skin dots, also known as cherry angiomas. I've had a few of these my entire life. Actually, I've had many of them throughout my entire life. I usually have a few on me, usually on my chest. I never really get them on my face or neck, but they can appear a lot on your face, neck. Like I said, I get them on my chest, and it's fairly easy to just treat them at home and get rid of them pain-free. Now, I have found the best things to use to remove these is to get yourself a number 2 pencil, and you can see I pushed a little pinhead nail through the eraser there. You're going to need a lighter, or preferably if you have it, a propane or butane torch. Now, the question I get asked the most about using this method is, does it hurt? Usually when I'm telling friends or family, you know, this remedy that I've been using for years to get rid of these, does it hurt? And it does not. Even though you're using, you know, a flame or a torch to make this little pin red hot, you're only tapping it on the angioma very briefly. You're not pressing and holding it because that can leave a scar. So you just barely tap it, maybe once or twice. You can see it change color. Sometimes they pop, sometimes they don't. And then within about a month, this is completely gone. Okay, so holding your pencil, you're just gonna take your lighter and start heating up the end, the little pinhead. Now, depending on what size of angioma you have, you wanna use a pinhead that's, kind of similar in size. So if you have large ones, use a larger pinhead, but if you're trying to get rid of smaller ones, use a slightly smaller one. This is kind of a medium size. I have about 6 on my chest right now, but only 2 that I'm going to be demonstrating how to get rid of here. Now, a lighter will work, but sometimes it will not get the pinhead red hot, which is preferable. So if you have a propane or butane torch, light it up and get that sucker hot. I usually try to get it to where it's glowing a little red, and then you know it's good to go. Then you just turn it off, and once the glowing redness of the pin goes away, you're ready to tap the angioma. Okay, we got it red hot. Turn off my little torch here, flip it around, and we'll just do a quick little tap. You know, it pinches slightly, but like barely. And I mean, I've popped zits that hurt more than that. So as you can see, it turned it a little bit lighter already. I'll probably hit it one more time. All right. There we go. We're just going to hit this one. Just like so. All right, as you can see, I hit both of them. A little bit of redness, a little irritation. Now, these will scab over in the next week or two and then, fall off like a normal scab does. But I've always found just hitting it once like I just did or a couple times, within a month and a half, it's completely gone. Well, everyone, I hope you found this video informative on how to remove red skin dots, also known as cherry angiomas. Get yourself a number 2 pencil. You can get usually an 8 or 10 pack at a dollar store for $1, and then get a little box of nails, pinheads, shove it through the eraser, you're good to go. I know it looks a little intimidating, with a propane torch, getting it red hot, but believe me, it's just a slight little pinch just for a second. Like I said, it usually hurts more popping pimples for me on my nose than this method does. So I'll put links below where you can buy all this stuff online. If you found this video informative, please give it a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.